Today I'm talking finance. There is a new scheme released and it makes finance for businesses really, really simple, and it's great, especially in these uncertain times. Paul, you're the expert on this side of things. Business banking loan, tell me all about it.
So the BBL, Business Bounce Back Loan, has been designed for the small companies, the micro businesses as we call them, limited companies, partnerships and sole traders.
Okay.
It's a fantastic product and it's easily accessible.
Any industry, so our audience is mainly engineers, so they should fit in that criteria.
Yeah, pretty much every high street and a business that's on your average trading estate should be eligible for this.
Okay, and just to clarify, I've had a couple of engineers that I've spoken to this week have applied for the BBL already, and one applied on the Wednesday, got the money in his bank Thursday, so a fantastic scheme.
Fantastic news.
Okay, again, this is my opinion, but the facts on this, how much can I borrow?
Right, so it's capped at 25% of your turnover, and that is in turn capped at a maximum of £50,000.
Okay, and is there a minimum?
Minimum is £2,000.
Okay, just to reiterate then, £2,000 to £50,000, 25% of turnover. Do I need to give security?
No. Again, they've, I know, a bit of a surprise really, isn't it? But again, they've thought about this loan, they've thought about the small man. There is no security. The government have insisted there's no security, i.e. personal guarantees or director's guarantees. There's no tie to your home residential property or even your motor car.
Okay then, on that basis, do I need to pay, is it a grant or do I need to pay this loan back?
It's definitely a loan, it's not a grant, so you do need to pay it back.
Okay.
So you need to pay it back in its entirety. But again, with this, they've thought about it for the first 12 months. There are no interest or capital repayments.
So for the first 12 months, I don't have to pay anything?
No, nothing at all.
I mean, this, in my opinion, this scheme is absolutely fantastic. No repayments first 12 months. How long then do I have to repay it over?
So it can work up to a maximum of 6 years.
Okay, so 1 year, nothing, then 5 years repayment.
That's correct,
okay.
Yes.
These repayments, what interest am I paying?
So that, again, another one they've thought about and thought hard about. They've reduced the interest rate down to 2.5%.
2.5%?
That is absolutely minuscule.
Okay, but you're not paying interest in the first year either?
That's correct.
Okay, so no repayments, no interest first year, 5 years after that, and 2.5%.
Yeah.
Okay, business needs a cash injection now, but say 2 years' time, business isn't now really going well, I've got the cash in the bank, I want to repay this loan. Can I do it? Are there any fees?
So again, they've thought about, it's another great feature of this loan, you do not get penalised for early repayment.
Wow, it just keeps ticking all the boxes for me.
It does.
Absolutely.
So.
Okay, I go to bank, apply for a loan, I have to pay a fee, an application fee.
No, and again, yes, there's more, keep giving. There are no fees with this whatsoever.
The whole scheme ticks every single box for me so far, it really does. So again, in my opinion, absolutely fantastic scheme. If you do need the cash, I would definitely look at the scheme. Paul, where do I get information? Yourself, first of all, at Asset Finance Northampton?
You can come to myself, you can come to your broker, but hopefully to me. The actual application is done via your bank. Okay. And it's an online application. There's about 7 questions, there's about 2 pages, 7 questions. You will get an answer instantly and you'll get approval instantly. The documentation is all done online and it can be e-signed as well. And then, as you've quite rightly said, the money should be in your bank within 48 hours.
Oh, wow. I mean, again, absolutely fantastic. Sounds like an absolutely fantastic scheme. So if you've got any questions, we'll put the details of the websites that you can go to on our website. We'll put the information there. But Paul Cox, Asset Finance Northampton, you're open to phone calls from anybody who has got any questions or needs a bit of assistance?
Most definitely. Our door is always open.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Paul, great scheme. Thank you for coming in and joining us and telling us all about it. Asset Finance Northampton, Paul Cox, thank you very much.
Thank you, Colin.